my dear students of class 11. Today whatever chapter in economics chapter 2 part 2 today. Okay. In this chapter we will learn today the goals of 5-year plans. What is the goals of 5-year plans? 5-year plans, you know, it's being held after every 5 years, after means elections. Okay. So the goals of 5-year plans, each 5-year plans having their goals, their objectives, whatever means किस लिए ये बनाया गया है पंचवर्षीय योजना, इसको बनाने से हमारे देश की इकोनॉमी पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है, ये सब कुछ पहले से नियोजित कर लिया जाता है. सो फर्स्ट इज ग्रोथ. Growth is very important thing for these, because for the developing of any nation, if each and every sector will be grow, then economy will increase and that nation's economy will be strong. Okay, so growth is very important and its growth under to all the sectors, all the three sectors whatever working criteria divided, primary sector, industrial sector, manufacturing sector, and next one is service sector. Means all sectors if will be grow, then Indian economy also will be increase. Okay, so and after connecting of that growth, GDP also, gross domestic product. Means gross domestic product वही होता है calculation of whole year, whatever earning, whatever benefit of the country and from which sector, means growth किस सेक्टर में हुआ है, कितना ज़्यादा जीडीपी इंक्रीज हुई है. कभी कभी किसी देश में देखा जाता है कि उनके यहाँ का सर्विस सेक्टर ज़्यादा इंक्रीजमेंट में है, वहाँ से ज़्यादा मतलब प्रॉफिट हुआ है, बिकॉज ऑन दैट कंट्रीज हैविंग हाई फाई नेटवर्किंग, हाई फाई टेक्नोलॉजी एंड एजुकेशन, एवरीथिंग. So means people's much more developed on those sectors, but in India much more GDP grow in agricultural sector, primary sector. प्राइमरी सेक्टर में कैसी उपज होती है किस साल की, कितना ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन होता है, तो जीडीपी पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है. वॉट एवर ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट, इट्स इफेक्टेड बाय द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द क्रॉप्स, बिकॉज इन इंडिया मेजर ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ agriculture, so much more we know we are growing by the GDP. But in another, we can say whatever country being developed, there were much more increasement into service sector or manufacturing sector. Okay, next one is modernization. Modernization जैसा कि आधुनिकीकरण. Modernization also means spreading each and everywhere, each and every sector, directions. Modernization under to it we will see that the use of new methods, techniques, technology, tools and capitals. Means due to the awareness, due to the public awareness, education, increasement and everything, means peoples are growing and coming in modernization. means नए चीज़ों का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिकल कर रहे हैं, जिससे कि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. सो द गोल्स ऑफ 5-year plans also to make modernization, to make our country modern, to update with the another countries. Okay, for the increasing their economy. Okay, next one is self reliance. Self reliance means होता है self dependence, means आत्मनिर्भरता. The goal of 5-year plans also make our country self dependence. Means if we will avoid of import the things from foreign countries, then we will also be self dependent. मीन्स बाहर की चीज़ों का जितना कम से कम यूज़ हो सके हमें करना चाहिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपनी स्वदेशी प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ में लाना चाहिए. एंड इंडिया आल्सो वर्किंग ऑन दैट प्रोजेक्ट, वर्किंग ऑन दैट प्लान, मीन्स बीइंग सेल्फ रिलायंस. means education sector, service sector, everything. Means people want to be update themselves and want to make the usable things in our country. Whatever things people's having demand, if we will make in our country, then our self-reliance will be increased. Okay, it is also the part of our 5-year plans. Next one is equity. What is equity? Means equality, samanta. It is also the part of our 5-year plans, the goal of 5-year plans, because in India different type of peoples living together. So means them should be means get similar chance, opportunity for the work, similar chance and respect, honor in society, and dividation of economy, distribution of the schemes, whatever launching by the government, should be reached home to home, door to door. Means not only rich and prosperous peoples being increased, being developed, means even that our means backward caste and vulnerable groups also should be developed. Means it's our 5-year plans goals also. मीन्स जितने भी पिछड़े प्रजाति के लोग हैं उनको भी सुनहरे अवसर दिलाना, उनको भी हर तरह से आर्थिक सामाजिक सहायता दिलाना, ये भी हमारी पंचवर्षीय योजना के अंतर्गत रखा गया है. These are the main motto of the goals of 5-year plans. Okay.